Hello, and how are you doing? This is Teacher Martin, and I'm here to take you through a lesson. Today is a repeat of our last lesson that we had live. I realized that the presentation document was not visible from that one, so I'm redoing this one to assist you see the material that we were presenting in the last live session. So make sure that you have subscribed, make sure that you share this content, and make sure that you leave your comment there. Yes, ensure all those things. And if you want to have your one-on-one classes, I'm still offering the premium classes, so you can kindly reach to me. Okay? Yes. So this is a repeat of last live session. So umuthi tuguthoma na twirute maritwa maria matumikaga thukuru. Thukuru ni handu hothe hathondeketwo niguo arutwo mamathe ugi. We uthomagira ku? Wi kirathi gĩa kaigana? Murutani wanyu etagwo ate? So what we are saying here is that today we are going to look into some of the vocabularies that are used around school. And a school is anywhere or any place that is prepared so that students or learners can get knowledge. Where uthomagira ku? Where do you school? Wi kirathi gĩa kaigana? What class are you? Murutani wanyu etagwo ate? What's the name of your teacher? So we go to some of the terms that we use around schools. Okay? So we have the first one, thukuru, thukuru, school. Murutwo, learner, student or people. Murutani, teacher. Kirathi, class. Mathomo, studies. Arutwo, learners or pupils. Arutani, teachers. Irathi, classes. Guthoma, studying or learning. Federa, flag. Ifuku, book. Mafuku, books. Karamu, pen. Toramu, pens. Ifuku ria kwandika, exercise book. Mafuku ma kwandika, exercise books, not textbook. Textbook is ifuku ria guthoma. Yes, and in plural it should be mafuku ma guthoma. We go on. Gucora, drawing. Mathanduku, boxes. Gutharia, erase. Lapa, eraser or rubber. Mukefe, excuse me. Mukefe, geometrical set. Baadhi ya thukuru, school bus. Kuhetuka, pass. Kugwa, fail. Kigerio, exam. Igerio, exams. Maratathi, papers. Modo ya thukuru, school bag. Oge, knowledge. Wrong. Oge is wisdom. Knowledge should be omenyo. Omenyo. So omenyo na oge, knowledge and wisdom. Omenyo na oge, knowledge and wisdom. Orimo, foolishness. Marihi ma thukuru, school fees. Rura, rura. We have some pictorial learning here. Blackboard, body, pen or book and pen. Ifuku na karamu. Oka na ifuku na karamu come with a book and a pen. Mafuku, books. Shoka, shock. Mwalimu ito andikaga na shoka. Our teacher writes using a shock. Kirathi, classroom. The clock or time. Gushora, drawing. But the boy is doing what? Painting. Painting is kuhaka rangi kana gushora na rangi. This person is erasing. Gutharia, tharia hau. Erase there. They are reading. Guthoma. So we go to next one. Exams. Igerio, pupils or learners. Arutwo, teacher. Murutani, writing. Kwandika, school bus. Baadhi ya thukuru. Asking, she is asking. Kuria, oria kiuria, ask a question. Oria kiuria, ask a question. Answering, gushokia, answer this question. Shokia kiuria giki. Speaking. Kwaria, speak now. Aria leu. So, thank you so much for coming to the end of this free YouTube class. This is just a preview of the premium classes that are paid, that we hold them online. Kindly, if you want those kind of classes, reach me via WhatsApp message or call me on this number +254 718 017 877, or write me an email at martinkarali@gmail.com. May God bless you so much for choosing to learn Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. Continue bringing your recommendation on what you want to learn in the comment section. And if you have any queries, you can contact me on those shared contacts. May God bless you, and bye-bye till next.